Hey, so I recently went away for a weekend to the city of Batu, which is in East Java. It's near Malang, the second biggest city in the province, and I was just there for a couple of days with some friends. One of the things we did was we went to this place called the Eco Green Park, which had all kinds of things. It had plants, an insectarium, birds, farm animals, some other more sort of funhouse playground type things. But I recorded a few of the encounters with the birds, and I thought I would edit them together into one little best of. So here you go. I hope you enjoy. Interesting question. It doesn't really seem labeled.
Mandu.
That's not that informative.
Was it an emu?
Maybe. Oh, there goes one. No, emus are Australian.
They didn't shower.
It's hard to be a white bird.
No.
Isn't it, Mr. Bird?
Are they edible?
Why is that the first thing you ask?
I'm thinking the same thing about you, Daniel.
Eat your fish. Don't you want your fish? I'm running video for this. Come eat your fish.
You're recording your own voice at the same time, Jess. You know that.
That's fine.
Come on. Have one.
And now it's going to eat the fish, and it's going to do it right behind the sign.
Oh, he's got one. Oh, look at that.
Can't. There's a sign in the way. There we go.
Woody. Is that Woody?
Woodpecker?
No.
Oh my
Sounds
god.
like could be actually. It sounds really like a machine.
No, it's not a woodpecker, but it's those giant birds over there. They're clicking their beaks, making that sound.
Oh, he's actually killing the fish first before eating it. You see that?
Well, I think it's just trying to turn it around so it can get it down the beak.
He's trying to kill it first.
Is it?
You see, yeah.
Hmm.
See?
I like his crazy feathers.
It's a beautiful looking bird.
Oh,
Good girl. Is it a girl or a boy?
who knows? Well, I mean, presumably its keepers know. I don't know.
Want this? Salute.
Don't taunt the ostrich. It will take your eye out. See? It's coming. It's going to get up in your grill.
Pop, 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 pop.
Pop, 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 pop. The cassowary is staring at me and inflating its throat. Does the cassowary think I should be its mate? What's going on here? Guinea fowl from Myanmar.
Oh yeah, they do look like vultures, don't they?
Yeah, because they're bareheaded.
Oh yeah, it's the birdie cat.
It's all this.
That blue plumage is beautiful. These creatures make.
Whoa, whoa, that was funny. They can say hello.
Yeah. Hello. Oh yeah, they're smart. They're smart like parrots. But their call is even more annoying. Why is it grabbing its whole head with its foot? Look at it. What are you doing there, cockatoo? Oh, the peacock's here too. It's a party.
Ayo. Jangan ditonton, ini aku. Ini aku. Ayo. Oh, kasihan ya kecil-kecil. Ayo. Kita makan. Ayo. Ayo. Habis sudah bisa bayar.
Bill, dear.
Turun. Whoa.
It has a very unwieldy turning radius, the peacock. What are you doing here? You do not belong near the cormorants. No wonder it's doing that dance.